Hey guys, I'm just doing a short video on my altcoin portfolio for the upcoming bull run in Q4 of this year into Q1 of 2025. I'll just go over my favorite altcoins when I got in, what they are, and the percentage of my portfolio very quickly. And yeah, thanks for all the new subs. I'll be posting regularly on the channel with a couple videos a week, a few shorts, seeing how it goes. Obviously, I'm in MDX Algo, the VIP very consistently every day. That's where I do my live streams, and I might start live streaming on YouTube as well, depending on how the channel goes and stuff like that. But I thought I'd just do a quick video explaining my top coins. So obviously, FET or ASI is first. They recently did a merger with Agix and Ocean, which there was quite a lot of uncertainty, and we did a full retrace back to around 70, but have since found support. Probably the top AI coin for this run. I was buying around this area here, 20, 25, under 30 cents. I actually fumbled it at 10 cents at the end of 2022, but that makes up around 26% or a quarter of my altcoin portfolio at the moment, just because I bought in so early. Yeah, I think it's still going to do really well. Obviously, it's a higher market cap, so if you're looking for really high returns, yeah, it's not the greatest, but I think it's going to do very, very well. And for a safe AI investment, I think this is probably one of the top coins. So any hold of Q3 or even a pullback to $1.15 would be a good time to get in if you are not in it so far. Next is Rio. This is a RWA tokenized real estate coin. You're going to actually see a lot of RWA, which I was buying at the end of 2022 and 2023, before the whole BlackRock thing. I should probably tell you the market caps of each of these coins as well. FET at the time of writing has a market cap of 4 million, so yeah, quite high. Rio, I was buying this around 5 cent, like when it was dirt cheap, 500k market cap. But at the moment, it's about 8.5 million. So if you're looking for a coin which is more higher risk but has a higher potential rate of return, I'll be looking at Rio as a RWA sort of play. Also did full retrace, now gaining levels, looks really strong. Yeah, Rio makes up around 20% of my altcoin portfolio at the moment, just because I bought in so early. And obviously, do your own research on all these coins. I'm just listing my personal altcoin portfolio and the ones that I think are going to do very well in the next 2 quarters. So yeah, Rio, another top coin. Very small market cap. Definitely look into it if you haven't. It's got a very strong community. It's very small at the moment, but it can pump super hard. So I'll show you that. From about October 2023 to March 24, we had about 20x in the price. So I think it's going to do very well in terms of rate of return. The next coin, which makes up about 15% of my portfolio, is Injective. I was buying Injective around, I think, $3, so around here, February, April 23. It's also done quite a good retake. We're currently holding this order block, which is very nice to see. We're probably going to get something like this, and then, yeah. So, Injective also is a layer 1. And there is a meme coin on Injective called Ninja, dog with nine chucks, that you should also look into. It has a very small market cap. At the time of writing, Injective has a 2.3-ish billion dollar market cap, and Ninja, which is the meme coin, has a around a 4 million market cap. So very, very small on the meme coin. But yeah, another one that I think is going to do well. I'm expecting, 3 digits, maybe $200 as just a loose price prediction. But, price predictions, don't bank on it. Next is Token. This is a new coin. It's just been released around the end of 2023, last year. I was buying this at, 2.5, 3 cents and stuff like that. I was also very vocal on it in the MDX VIP altcoin chat, saying that it's going to do very well. And this is like tokenized NFTs. You can make tokens without coding. It runs on the Floki chain, so I think it's got mainstream appeal. And I think the interface reminds me of old Xbox 360 days, and I think it's going to do very well. At the time of writing, it has a market cap of around 59 million, 60 million, so quite small. Good community. Very, very, very excited to see what this project can bring, and I think it's going to do very well. So the next coin is PropChain. PropChain is all about tokenized real estate, RWA, as you know. Let me just turn off this trade data quickly. Sorry, the backtesting data, so you can see the chart better. I actually got in the private sale of this around 25 cents. I'm a general board member, just a community member in the community, and they've got some very exciting stuff coming in the not too distant future with their platform. They got DAO coming. They got so many things going for them, and it's a very, very strong RWA project. Probably more established than Rio in terms of tokenized real estate, and I do think this sort of sector or industry in the crypto space is going to do very well, which is why I'm very exposed to it. At the time of writing, we've got about $30 million market cap, so quite small. I'm expecting this to do, upwards of a 10x, $10 minimum. I'm looking for minimum. So, buy around these 1-2 levels is probably quite a good idea. Next one, SMT, small markets. This is about also again tokenized deep in narrative. It's looking to do tokenized commodities, tokenized stocks, so you can trade tokenized real world assets on SMT markets chains. You can also stake on it against real world stocks, so Nvidia, and earn tokenized things like that. I think it's going to do also very well. It's just in the same narrative. And at the time of writing, it's about $25 million market cap, so it's very small. I think it's going to do very well. Next, ARK. This is a new coin that's just been released. They have a reactor which is more powerful, apparently, than OpenAI. This is more of just a narrative play for me. I think AI is going to do very well. And it has a market cap of 25 million. Oh, sorry, I wasn't updating you on my allocation. Token makes up about 7%, same as Propsy, SMT about 6%, and the rest are smaller bags. So yeah, ARK, AI narrative looks very good. It's more of a gamble for me, just in the narrative. Navi, I'm not sure if you guys know anything about Waze, the app. It's about navigating traffic, and it's more about drive to earn. So if you use the app, you can earn Navi tokens and get money off your petrol and stuff like that. This has a real world application. It actually does something, so I think it's quite a good play in that sort of deep in narrative. As you can see, I'm heavily in RWA deep in and AI narratives. I just think these are the ones that are going to do very well. And at the time of writing this, it has a $14 million market cap, so very small again. I think it's got a good chance of doing something really good. It's more of just it has actual use case and utility play. So PAL, another one, done a full retrace, quite small market cap, AI coin using AI bots and stuff like that. Actually, it's got $200 million market cap, so it's a bit bigger than the others. Velar, this is a new coin. It's in the Bitcoin runes sort of space. It's actually the first DEX that is built on Bitcoin, so think Uniswap for ETH, but a DEX on Bitcoin. I think this is quite a good opportunity to get a coin or a DEX which is very, very new and the first of its kind on the Bitcoin chain. Of course, do your own research, and I think this is a very, very small coin, so it's quite risky. Yeah, 11.5 million, but it's worth a gamble for me if it is going to do even a tenth of the volume of Uniswap, or even become something small like a DEX on Bitcoin. I think this has got very good potential for growth, and it's in a good sort of sector of the market, shall we say. Um, Looks like it's just going to bottom here for a while, and then hopefully the Bitcoin runes and stuff space will come back, BRC20s and stuff like that. If they do come back after Bitcoin goes on its next major expansion, I'm expecting a lot of the profits to run into this sector. Track is like a VeChain competitor. Um, at the time of writing, Track has quite a big market cap, 230 million. Not massive, but not small. Um, it's in the RWA space, and it's kind of doing tokenized supply chain, quite similar to what VeChain's doing, but a fraction of its market cap. So I think it's quite a good, AI slash RWA play, and it has a slightly bigger market cap, so it's a bit safer. I'm not expecting the most crazy returns on this. It's more of just a safe play for me. Um, Makes up maybe around 5% of my altcoin portfolio. Nothing big, nothing crazy. I am looking at buying more because it's not really doing that much at the moment. But yeah, Layer AI, another coin which I'm not 100% sure on the team, but it's got a market cap of, if you give me 1 second, it's got a market cap of 46 million, and it's obviously in the AI area. It used to be known as Crypto GBT, but yeah, this is just another gamble in the AI space. Trio is another coin that is doing Bitcoin runes. There's actually a couple guys in the MDX Algo VIP server, or that run MDX Algo, that know the guys on the team. They say they're pretty decent. They're not going to rug and stuff like that. So I have a small investment in it. It's got a $1 million market cap, so proceed with caution on this. I wouldn't put massive amounts of money into this either. Um, yeah, it's a small 1%, maybe 0.5% of my portfolio. But this has crazy room for growth if it can, realize even a small part of its BRC20 token ecosystem growth, and you know, I think it's a worthy gamble in that sort of area. Lastly, if you're into crypto gaming, the two games that I would be looking at are Illuvium. Well, Illuvium, which is pretty bottomed. The chart doesn't look amazing. It's done a full-on retrace. It's actually made a new low. But I think the game looks really good. The game looks amazing. It's kind of like a mix between Pokemon and Fortnite, and um, it just looks like a decent game to me. So I just bought, you know, a small amount of it to see. It's got $200 million market cap, so quite big. Um, and the last one is going to be Big Time, which actually looks like it could be the next Fortnite, mixed in with NFTs, and it's got $150 million market cap. Very new. Definitely one to keep an eye on. These are more games that I like the look of rather than the charts, so I've just bought a bit because I'm like, if this catches on, it's probably going to go higher. And in the future, if I want to play the games, I just want to have a few tokens available to me. So yeah, that's about all that I've got for you. There are some other plays that I have been looking at recently, but I haven't done the most amount of research, and I don't want to explain each project in depth in this video because I want to keep it quite short and sweet. But yeah, that's about it. That's my portfolio, and thanks for all the subs and everything, guys.